Alright guys, here's a quick update. I did end up getting the EPIQ 68. Went from a classic 3-bank to a EPIQ 68, which isn't a big difference really in length overall, but it's a lot more storage. So let's have a look here and see. Still got plenty of room. I got everything in here now, and it's still a lot of space. It's pretty nice. So we can get around here, kind of get a little peek of everything here. And that light's beautiful. It's a pretty nice little feature. Yeah, I had all the wrenches were packed in my other toolbox. And shoot, I can stick a couple more in here now. Go up to 1.5 inch from SNAPON. Finally broke it down and done it. The drawers, still kind of getting used to them a little bit. They're pretty nice though. Flower drawer, loads of space, man. It's got 3 full-length drawers. That's what I really liked about it the most. Yeah, I can fit a couple more screwdrivers in here. Getting kind of full. Still kind of organizing a little bit. I just kind of put everything in this drawer for now. Just a little junk drawer, you know. Everybody's gotta have one of them. Some electrical stuff here. Bigger containers and things here. Best part about it, I like the black out emblem too. It's pretty nice, but the power top, it's awesome. I love the power top. It's pretty nice. Anyway, there's the EPIQ 68 Candy Apple Red. Thanks for watching.